you're watching Cait Straight Up, and I am Caitlin, and today I'm going to show you how to make almond milk. So we made oat milk a couple weeks ago, but I'm a huge almond milk fan. I've liked almond milk for years and years and years now. I actually don't really like regular milk, so I've been on almond milk way before it was popular to be on almond milk. So I thought since we did oat milk, we might as well show you how easy it is to make almond milk as well. So all you need is a blender, some almonds, some water, a couple other things if you want to jazz it up, and you can make yourself a homemade almond milk. So I have here a cup of organic almonds that I soaked for about an hour before I'm going to add them into my blender. And then all you need to make an almond milk is some water. So if you want a really watery kind of thin liquid almond milk, you're going to add about 5 cups of water. I like mine a little bit thicker, a little bit creamier. I don't want anything too watery going in my coffee or anything like that. So I add about 4 cups of water. You're going to decide based on what you want, but between 3 and 5 cups of water should be the right amount per 1 cup of almonds. There's just a few other ingredients that I like to add. I do a little bit of sea salt, just a pinch, into my almond milk, and then I like to put in a little bit of vanilla. If you want to leave yours plain, then you don't have to add that vanilla, but do about a tablespoon or so if you're looking for a vanilla-y flavor. A little pro tip too, if you want to make a healthy chocolate milk for your children, all you have to do is add 2 tablespoons of a cocoa powder and right into your blender when you're making this almond milk, and you actually have healthy chocolate homemade almond milk for your kids. Easy enough. So once you're already in your blender here, I have my Costori one. I really love this blender. You do want a nice powerful blender to kind of chop up those almonds. Once you're all in, you're going to blend for about 2 minutes minimum. You want to really let the blender run so all of that almond gets broken down and you make a nice creamy milk. So we're going to get ours going here. And after about 2 minutes in the blender, you have yourself a nice creamy almond milk. You could see that the consistency is very similar to what you get in the store, and as we pour, looks perfect. You could use this for your smoothies, your cereal, just to drink. You can make chocolate milk. You could do anything you want with this almond milk, anything that you would normally do with an almond milk, and you made it homemade. Be proud of yourself. Make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more recipes like this one every Tuesday. Find me on Instagram, Cait Straight Up Cooking. Let's chat there, see what you're cooking in your kitchen, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.